let us start today's episode with an example. Star, star, star into star. When you multiply these numbers, you will get 8 star star 1. So now the question is, in the given multiplication problem, star is equal to, we've got 4 options. 1, 3, 7, 9. So in the question, the star can be only one number. So if you replace this star with one number, every star has to be the same number. So how do you do it? So here we have 1. So if you take option A, 1 into 1 will be 1. But if you replace every star with 1, so 1 into 1 will not be 8. So this cannot be the answer. Now directly if you see, we have 9 here in option D. So it should automatically flash to you. 9, if you replace it here, 9 nines are 81. So 1 here and then 8 here, carry forward. 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 will be 89. And then 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 will be 89. So every star will be replaced as 9. So that's the answer. It's a very easy method that we solved it. But can we use sum of the digits method here and solve this same question? Yes. So here you have 3x. So you can write it as 3x into another x. And then the answer is 8 plus 1 is 9. So discard and we've got 2x. So which is equal to 2x. So this is 3x square is equal to 2x. Now try to replace x with the given options. So 3x square is equal to 2x. Take it as 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 is equal to 2 is not the correct answer. So option A is not the correct answer. Now you take the second option. Consider x value as 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Which is equal to 2 3s are 6. Here 9 it is. 9 is not equal to 6. So option B is not the correct answer. Now take option C. 3x square is equal to 2x. So it is 7. 7 7s are 49. 3 into 49 is equal to 2 into 7. So here 9 you can cancel. 3 4s are 12, which is equal to 7 2s are 14. Here it is 3. Here it is 5. 3 is not equal to 5. So option C, 7, is also not the correct answer. Now take option D. 3x square is equal to 2x. So here 3 into 81. 9 nines are 81. Which is equal to 2 into 9. So here it is 9. So 3 into 9 is 27. And 2 into 9 is 18. So whatever number you multiply with 9 will always be 9. So 7 plus 2 is 9, which is equal to 1 plus 8 is 9. So 9 is equal to 9 is the correct answer, which means option D is the correct answer for you. So let us see one more example. Here the question is, if P and Q represent digits, what is the maximum possible value of Q in the statement? So here we have 5P9 plus 327 plus 2Q8. When we add these 3, we will get 1114. So I have written here. Option A is 6, option B is 7, option C is 8, option D is 9. So what is the simplest way to solve this? Here if you see, we have 9, 7 and 8. When you add this, you get 24. So you write 4 here and 2 gets carry forward. So here you have P, Q and then 2 plus 2, 4, right? So it will be P plus Q plus 4 and then come to the last line. Keep this on hold. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. However, we've written 11 here, which means we've had one carry forward from previous one, which means P plus Q plus 4 is equal to 11. So P plus Q is equal to 11 minus 4, which is 7. So the maximum possible value of Q in the statement is 7. It could be 6 and P value could be 1 also, but then they've asked us the maximum possible value. So here P value will be 0 and Q value will be 7. Here, can you use the sum of the digit method and solve this? Let's try. So here you have 9, discard, so it will be 5 plus P, and here you have 7 plus 2 is 9, so discard, left with 3. Here you have 8 and then 2 here you have 8 and 2, so you will be left with 1 plus Q. Then from the answer it is 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So here 5 plus 3 plus 1 is 9 plus P plus Q is equal to 7. Here 9 will be discarded, so P plus Q is equal to 7. So option B, 7 is the answer. But tell me something, we also have digits 9 and 8, which are maximum values when compared to 7. Why can't it be 8 or 9? You can comment this on our video and we will let you know the reason. So let us see one more problem for today's episode. A boy multiplies 987 by a certain number and obtains 559981 as his answer. If in the answer both 9s are wrong but the other digits are correct, then the correct answer would be, we got 4 options: 553681, 555181, 555681, 556581. Now, what is the sum of the digit of this number 987? Here 9 gets cancelled. You shift 1 from 7 to 8, so this also gets cancelled. So you are left with 6. Now see the sum of the digit of these numbers, and those numbers have to be divisible by 6. So here 8 plus 1 is 9, 6 plus 3 is 9, discard them, 5 plus 5 is 10. So here the sum of the digit is 1. Here 8 plus 1 is 9, discard. Then you have 15 plus 1, 16. Sum of the digit is 7. 8 plus 1 is 9, 15 plus 6 is 21. So sum of the digit is 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, discard. 15 plus 6 is 21. And then the sum of the digit is 3. Now, one of these answers should be divisible by 6. Here if you see, 987 is divisible by 3 because the sum of the digit is 6, which means the answer should also be divisible by 3. So when we do the sum of the digit, we get 2 options which are divisible by 3. One is option C and the other one is option D. But then both are of the same sum of the digit number, which is 21 or 3. So how do we find out the right answer? Since 987 is divisible by 3, you can write 987 in the form of multiples of 3. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. So 3 into 329 will be 987, right? Now we are writing 987 in the form of multiples of 3. Because here we got 2 options which are divisible by 3, we have to find out some other factor wherein the divisibility can be done for number 329. So here, can you divide 329 by 2? No, because the last digit is not an even number. And is it divisible by 3? We've just done divisibility by 3 and we got 2 options. So we need to find out another alternative. So if you use 4 also, you cannot divide it. And if you use 5 also, it's not possible. And let's try with 7 now. So it is 7 4s are 28. You're left with 4. 7 7s are 49. So 47. Right? So now 329 can be written as 7 multiple 47. So 987 will be 3 into 7 into 47. Now we have to find out one of these answer should also be divisible by 7. Now do you all remember the divisibility rule by 7? If not, see the link and go back and practice, because it is very important that you know how to find out the divisibility rule by 7. Now we will find out for 5 5 5 6 8 1 the divisibility rule by 7. So what is it? First you have to find out the seed number. So for 7 the seed number is -2. I remember this. Now I take the last digit, multiply it with the seed number which is -2. So 1 into -2 is -2, and then I leave 1, and then I subtract -2. So this is 5 5 5 6 6. Now take the last digit 6. 6 into -2 is -12. So subtract 12 from 5 5 5 6. So this is 5 5 4 4. Take the last digit. 4 into -2 is -8. -8 you remove it from 54. So when you remove 8 from 54, it is 46. So 546. Now do we know if 546 is divisible by 7? We don't know. So keep repeating the process. So you take 6. 6 into -2 is -12. So remove. So when you subtract 12 from 54, it is 42. So is 42 divisible by 7? Yes. 7 6 are 42. Now let us see if option D is also divisible by 7. So it is 55 65 81. 55 65 81. So take 1, multiply with the seed number which is -2. So subtract -2 from 55 65 8. So it is 55 65 6. But wait, here the numbers are very similar. So what can you do? You can straight away subtract 555681 from 556581. So you can easily make out the difference is 900, right? And 900 is not divisible by 7. Whenever there is a number which is divisible by 7 and you add another number to it which is also divisible by 7, then the entire number will be divisible by 7. However, 900 is not divisible by 7. So if you add this number to this number, then the whole number cannot be divisible by 7. So option D is not the correct answer. Option C is the right answer. So now we found the answer. But do you think there could be any other way that you can solve this except by dividing these numbers using 987? If you know any other method, you can put it on the comment box and we will see that as well.